Hi friends, my name is Matthew. I'm on the internet as ToadyCo. I think drawing's pretty fun. Let's draw. Today I'm drawing this eagle with a hot dog. I know, it's serious. As usual, I began by sketching this up in blue pencil. This design makes use of Procreate's symmetry guide and also of this reference photo I took of an eagle in my neighborhood. I'm trying out RetroSupply's deep cuts engraving brushes for the first time, and they're pretty neat. You might use these to make a portrait in a kind of Wall Street Journal headcut style, or an illustration that would go on money, or an old-timey logo treatment, or an antique map, or who knows, I don't know what you like to draw. Cool stuff, I imagine. Major elements of my drawing are symmetrical here, notably the shield in the background and the wings of the eagle, so I'm using the symmetry guide to help me render those. If I was taking more time with this, I think it's good practice to turn the symmetry assistance on for the pencil sketch, and then back off for the finished line art. But we're just learning about these brushes here, so I think it's okay to take a shortcut. I'm building the drawing on multiple layers, the bottommost one of which is the shield background. With that in place, I'll start the wings on a new one. For me, wings and feathers are always hard to make look right, but the multi-line parallel engraving brushes in this set seem pretty well suited to them. I bet with some practice, you could get some really cool effects with these. The top layers of this drawing are not symmetrical. That's the eagle's head and body and aspects of the hot dog, the sort of mustard squiggle in particular. I'll have to do some fine-tuning and erasing to marry these elements to the wings and feet on layers below them. Here's some detail on the eagle's face and hat using one of the single line brushes from this set. And here I'm doing a little bit of cross-hatching on the hot dog. I should have done more of this. It's a strength of these deep cuts engraving brushes. The multi-line ones really lend themselves to crisscrossing patterns. Finally, I'm going to flatten the line art and drag it onto one of RetroSupply's phantom paper textures. Here's an antique-y looking one that in my opinion suits this style. And it's ready to post online for friends to enjoy. Enjoy, friends! I liked drawing this, and I bet I'll like whatever you're drawing today too. Drawing is fun. In fact, I'm going to go do it some more right now. Bye.